Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this video, I am going to share a miracle story of Astaghfirullah. And it is my request to all of you, please start reciting Astaghfar on daily basis without giving gap. Inshallah ta'ala, your problems will be solved and you will see miracles in your life. Inshallah ta'ala. Our lady said, I want to share a miracle story of Astaghfar. She said that she watched some videos of reciting Astaghfirullah on social media, maybe on Facebook or YouTube. She said that videos touched my heart, and I started reciting Astaghfirullah the whole day with my work, while working at home, while sitting or cooking in kitchen, or while doing nothing. I kept reciting Astaghfirullah whole day. Whenever I get time, whenever I am free, I am busy, I kept reciting Astaghfirullah with my work. And after a few days of reciting Astaghfirullah, what happened? One day I had to go to the market to buy something. So she said, I reached the market and my husband called me and asked me, where are you? So I told him that I am in the market. Then her husband told her that I was outside and I had to go somewhere else. And on that street, I missed my wallet. And he said, in my wallet there were many important cards and also money, and someone had found my wallet on the street and contacted me and told me about my wallet. He had my wallet and he said, please come to pick your wallet. So her husband said, I am far from that road, but you are near, your market is near, so please go and pick my wallet. Her wife said, okay, fine, there is a 5 minutes or a 7-minute distance, I can go and I can pick your wallet. So that lady went to there and picked the wallet from that man, and she said that all cards, all important things, money, all were there. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. And she said, this is just because of Astaghfar. What I think, that someone found a wallet with money, with ATM cards or with NIC or with bank card, they can use money or they can steal the things, but alhamdulillah, a person returned the wallet with all money and with all things, and it's just because of reciting Astaghfar. She said, I am so happy and my trust on Astaghfar has increased much more, because she said it was just because of Astaghfar that we got husband's wallet with money and other things. So when we start reciting Astaghfirullah, our work becomes easy and correct for us, and Allah saves us from pain, problems and issues. So keep reciting Astaghfirullah on daily basis, at least 1200 times or maximum 7000 times daily, or you can recite it more than 7000 times. But these two numbers, 1200 and 7000, are very important. And if you are reciting 7000 times daily Astaghfirullah and without giving gap, so you will see miracles in your life. You will see that your work will become easy for you, and you find the unseen sources that make your things easy, that help you. So if we recite Astaghfar, and we can recite Astaghfar without wuzu, with wuzu, in traveling, with our work, we don't need to sit alone and then start reciting Astaghfar. We can recite Astaghfirullah with our work, with in traveling or in our office. So there is not a condition, then we have to recite Astaghfar while sitting alone and with wuzu. So it is very easy for us, and this wazifa, this zikr always works, because Allah wants that we keep reciting Astaghfar, we keep asking forgiveness for our sin. So we should recite Astaghfirullah so that our life will become easy, our work will become easy, and we will save from unseen problems or issues. May Allah bless all of us, may Allah accept our prayers, and may Allah give us strength to recite more and more Astaghfar. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.